Target Enterprises is a media buying company for political campaigns that handles over 50 clients during a political cycle and bills more than $250 million during that cycle. It's a fast-paced, crazy business. I'm the only person working in the accounting department, and I can handle this volume of activity that happens during a political cycle because of Acumatica. We purchase media on behalf of political campaigns. Let's say it's a California initiative. We'll give them a plan saying it costs $40 million, and then we implement the plan. We contact the radio stations, TV stations, digital companies, and we purchase media on their behalf. The previous ERP I had was not user-friendly. The different modules were not connected, so I would have to spend countless hours getting information that I needed because they weren't linked together. I would work during a political cycle till 10 o'clock on average every night. And now that I'm with Acumatica, they're all linked, and it saves me such tremendous time that the latest I worked was 8 o'clock one time this cycle, and we billed more than we've ever billed this time.
When Target Enterprises first contacted us, they made it very clear that their business was very, very fast-paced. They were working from spreadsheets, and that's all they had. We moved them to Acumatica. We found that we were able to help them increase the efficiency with what they were doing, track all their campaigns in the project module of Acumatica, and today they've increased their bottom line and they've got a lot less work to do, but they're making more money, which has been very, very valuable to them.
I've worked with Cortex for over 20 years. They've always been there for whenever I need something. Because of the nature of our business, everything needs to happen yesterday. 5 minutes from now just will not work. They've always taken care of my needs immediately. Acumatica has helped me tremendously through this last campaign cycle. We've billed more than we've ever billed before, and yet I've worked less than I've ever worked. I just can't emphasize enough the time it has saved me.